Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to share your Kahoot. Let's say you've created a Kahoot and now you want to share it whether it's your students or other people you wanted to join your game. So how do you do it? So from the home menu, you click on, you actually see the option for your Kahoot up here, but in case you don't want to use that option, you click on the library icon at the bottom and then click on Kahoot, and then you see the one you want to share. So I want to share this one. It's public, it must be public before you can share it. So, and then you click on the three dots at the corner here and you click on share. Now there are different ways you can share it. You can share it with other Kahoot user by clicking on share and then you put in the username of the person you want to share it with, or you can copy the shareable link here and then paste it to the person. You can use Google Classroom, you can use Remind, you can use Message, you can use WhatsApp, Gmail and others. And once you're through, click on done. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.